Hi guys, welcome to Get Real Life TV. This is where we promote African culture, traditions, and religion. I thank you all for showing me love on this page. I thank you all for your support, both in cash and in kind. Today, I have a comment to make concerning Tope Alabi recent music that is trending across different social media platforms. This very topic concerns us because a lot of people are reacting to the song and maybe they are having some kind of negative impression about how Tope Alabi made use of the word Aboru Aboye. So actually, I listened to the music and I would like to react to it. So for those of you who do not know Tope Alabi is a Yoruba gospel singer that we have in Yoruba land. Is one of the most famous gospel female musician in Yoruba land, and is widely known. Tope Alabi is widely known. So she just released a single titled Aboru Aboye. And the song, she says that a mini Aboru Aboye, a mini Aboru Aboye, that I am the Aboru Aboye. And for those of you who do not know the meaning of Aboru Aboye, a few months ago, I interviewed a Babalawo who actually elaborated on the meaning of Aboru Aboye. So at the end screen of this video, you are going to be able to watch the video so that you know exactly the meaning of Aboru Aboye and the story behind the word Aboru Aboye. But in this video, I want to just react to the video, to the song of Tope Alabi, where she says that she is the Aboru Aboye. First of all, I would like to tell her that she is not the Aboru Aboye. She is not the Aboru Aboye. That's the first thing, because I feel that she does not understand the meaning of Aboru Aboye. So Aboru Aboye is how Babalawos, is how we greet Babalawos in Yoruba land, is how we greet Babalawo in Yoruba land. So that's being said, so Aboru Aboye is a greeting in Ifa, and that is how we greet our Babalawo. So for Tope Alabi to say that she is the Aboru Aboye, as far as I'm concerned, she's wrong. And I feel maybe she's just looking for a way to get herself noticed. And she's known for controversial lyrics. She's known for controversial lyrics in her songs, and even her dancing steps. She's known for her controversial. She's a gospel musician, and she is known to be a kind of musician who can jump on any societal song, any secular style of music. So that is not even the point here. But the point here is that I think, let me just say in Yoruba that Oshinri Woni, Oshinri Awa Yoruba. For some of you who are still not associating themselves with Isheshe, let me just say, I think you are still like you are warming up. You are warming up, and I know that very soon you guys will come back home. Okay, so Tope Alabi understands. Let me just put it. Let me say it this way: Tope Alabi understands Isheshe. Like, for her to mention Aboru Aboye, I feel she's warming up to come back home. She's warming up to come back home, and this is exactly how others are warming up to come back home. So Aboru Aboye is a greeting in Ifa spirituality, is how we greet Babalawo. So Tope Alabi is not the Aboru Aboye. She is not the Aboru Aboye. So if you want to understand the story behind the word Aboru Aboye, you can watch a video that I'll put at the end screen of this video for you to know the real meaning of Aboru Aboye and the story behind it. Okay. At the same time, we should not condemn her for singing Aboru Aboye, for saying she is the Aboru Aboye. I feel that, okay, maybe she's missing her own ancestral part. So Tope Alabi is missing home, and I want her to come back home. You know, as far as I'm concerned, I want her to come back home, to go back to her own ancestral path, so that she can even use her sweet voice to praise Ifa. You know, so Tope Alabi, we really appreciate you for singing, for using the word Aboru Aboye, but maybe next time you can use Isheshe lyrics, or Ifa lyrics correctly. So you are not the Aboru Aboye, and at the same time, I am happy to welcome you back to your own ancestral path. So Tope Alabi, you are highly welcome to your ancestral path. So we're happy that you are taking a step forward to associate yourself with Ifa spirituality. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, if you are new here, this is where we promote African culture, traditions, and religion. You know, if you subscribe to our YouTube channel right here, you are going to understand Ifa spirituality, the practice of Ifa spirituality, Orisha, and the practice of Isheshe in general. So we've interviewed a couple of practitioners, and we've interviewed a couple of Isheshe priests and priestesses on this channel. So guys, don't forget that key questions and answers in Ifa is out now. So you can place your order. You can buy this ebook. It's an ebook. Yeah, it's an ebook. So we have the compilation of 50 questions and answers in Ifa, in the practice of Ifa. So we've simplified the whole process of understanding the practice of Ifa religion, Ifa spirituality, as you may wish to call it. So this ebook is available right now on our store, www.getabetterlifetv.com. So, and I will put the link in the description section of this video for you to buy this ebook. You know, when you make your payment, this ebook will get straight to your inbox, and is in PDF format, and you can download it right from your email. Okay, so key questions and answers in Ifa volume 1 is out. So you can place your order, you can buy yours right from our store on www.getabetterlifetv.com. Thank you, and get a better life. Bye for now.